Hey guys, how's it going? I am reshooting the first part of this video. I have no clue what happened to my footage. So, we're home after the video's already been shot and I'm reshooting it. So, we are headed down to Sacramento. You guys will see that in just a second. And we're going down to, it is called the Great Junk Hunt. And I've gone every year the last couple of years. And it's been so much fun. I always find the coolest stuff. And it's really, really unique things and it's cool things. And they've got some really, really nice vendors down there. And I always run into a few people who watch the channel, which is always really cool. We're gonna head to Sacramento and we're gonna go check out the Great Junk Hunt. It's like $20 for early admission, which is what we chose. I think it's also $15 for just regular admission, but we wanted to get in early and there are so many people at this event. It's absolutely insane. It's worth it to pay the extra $20 and to pay the extra $5 and to get in a little bit early and get all of the good stuff rather than waiting until the second day and getting in at the very end of it. But if you are in the Sacramento area, it is so worth it to go. I mean, we go every single year and I will probably just continue to go because it is so much fun. And then we also run over to Green Acres, which is always, it's always a good time. And so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Also, look how good it's looking back here. Okay, here we go. It is going to be so insane. I remember it last year and it was crazy. This place is absolutely massive. And people book it in here and they grab things immediately. So if I see something, it's kind of, I need to get it right then and there. And of course I see this beautiful swan. It's 58. Do you like it?
You always do.
I love swans so much. Okay, that's still here. I need to get, oh my basket. Brent. Okay, this booth is amazing. Beautiful chair.
Yes, the vendor market's better.
35 for the chair. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Oh, I love that mirror. Look at this broom. That is so cool. It's, how much is this? It's 58 and it's a massive broom. Do you see the broom? It's got a face on it.
I love that.
So we're having a problem of me already finding a million things that I like. But I'm trying not to buy every little first thing that I see. But the problem is that you have to buy it if you see it and you want it. So personally, I wish that nobody was here and I could have an hour to look around so I wouldn't be so overwhelmed. But that's just not how these things work. So we will see what I end up coming home with, if anything at all. I'm obsessed with these baskets and this table. That is such a gorgeous table. I want $3.25 for it. I really like it. Okay, let's see what we can find. This place is called the Barn Redefined, and I'm just loving this. I was gonna try to say I'm obsessed with it, but I'm loving it. I am obsessed with it. This is $1,225. It's really, really beautiful. And the stools are $150. I'm trying to get to where there's not like 7 million people. Those first booths are so packed. Oh, I love this cabinet. This cabinet's $295. Settee, $175. I found this really cool terrarium, $249. Isn't that so beautiful? Look at, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this cart too. That is so cool. Brent just found this. It's a U.S. Postmaster Supply. Little box office thing. $6.25. I don't think it's vintage, but it is really, really cool. Are you kidding me with this basket? I need this.
It won't fit in the car.
I could literally leave you here and take this home. It will fit in the car. Are you kidding me? I kind of like this painting. It's really pretty. Yes, I don't know if you can tell how like jam-packed this place is, but it's insane. This is kind of cool. $250 it looks like. These troughs are $144. This is really cool. These are $200.
These would be cute with plants and you'd have to drill the hole.
This arbor is massive. $595 for it. Not bad at all, I don't think, for how huge it is, and it's like solid. And these are all really cool too. That one's $475.
I got the baby.
I found these little fake beehives. They've got small ones, 22, and then the big one was, I think, 40, 42. Kind of cool. If you need a giant hippo, this is the place to go. Oh, there's Brent's frog. Brent said he likes this one. Love all these watering cans. Brent basically told me we don't need any more watering cans. I don't know why he would say such an evil thing. But I do like all of this like metal stuff. Lots of just kind of outdoor stuff. $225 for the hutch.
Oh no.
This is so sweet, very like cottage core. Loving this look with the roses and the gold mirror and the baskets and this painting. I really like this painting for $45. These guys are kind of cool. 10 each. I like the little hummingbird one. And then there's lots of like metal work. These are all pretty cool. These are really cool. 99. This is 79. These ones are 56. Oh, look at these little fern fronds. Those are cool.
But like I said, I got it in
Little mushrooms. I really like these. See, here they are on little stakes. This is cool. Oh, this one is a like flower, but it's made out of a whole bunch of butterflies. That one's really cool. Found this massive scoop. It's $30. I'm really thinking about it. This is so cool. I've been super into bunnies lately, and these little cement bunnies are so cute. They're $9. These are precious. I don't need them, but they are really, really sweet. Okay, I really am loving this piece. It's $389. This is a beautiful bookcase. This is really, really nice. I love it. Also, how cute is this little swan collection? And they have a black swan. I love them. Okay, I found this like dresser thing, and it's got a chest up top. And she only wants $350 for it. And it is so cool, so unique, so old. And for $350, if I had a greenhouse, this would be in it. If I even had a beautiful like potting shed, this would also be in it. This is so gorgeous. Look at this really cool aviary. Can you see how big it is? It's taller than this guy right here. It is massive. This is really cool too. For your kitchen, you can put your, flour and stuff in there. $325 on that one. That's really, really cool. I love those. I love the ones that normally have the hutch on the backs of them. I think that that's so interesting. This place has literally everything from chandeliers to old teddy bears and furniture. And we've found a couple of really good things so far. It's been, so far, a pretty good show. I'm definitely finding way less this year than I have in previous years that I just had to come home with. In previous years, I found things the second I walked in the door that I had to have. This year has not been the case. I found this trunk, which is so cool. If we had a bigger house, this would definitely come home with us. They only want $97 for it, and it's a wood trunk. That's so pretty. I love a good basket. This one's $65 for the cutest little picnic basket. I love this with the leather straps on it. Obviously it's missing some of its hardware, but still so incredibly cool. So I will say that there's a lot of clothing this year here. There's a lot more than I've seen in previous years. And there is a lot more of new items that are made to look vintage than there are like vintage items. But there are some really, really cool pieces. Like I love this table down here. I think that's so cool. I love the like faded paint on it. There's been lots of really cool statement pieces, and we have bought one piece. So it's actually been a really good show. I love finding all of these like vintage, like, I don't know, kitchenwares. I get this one with the birds on it. That's really pretty. It's stoneware, ironstone. Is that what this is? Lots of really interesting pieces here. I like this table. So it's $5.50 for it. I also really like these little planters. They look like little cabbage. Those are kind of cool. The yellow set, that's fun. It's $100 for that set. Let's see. There's so much color in this booth. I do think that that's really interesting. $25 for the set. I don't know what it is. Is that a vase? What are these? I don't know what those are. Okay, these are so cute. And this vase, I love that. I really like all this, like, I love all this cabbage. I don't know why I really am liking these. 18. Those are really cute. Okay, we made out pretty good. We got the cabinet. They wanted $389. She took $350 for it. First day. I've never haggled a day in my life, and so to haggle was, it made my stomach turn. But it's got the original glass in it. It's got like wavy glass to it, which is so cool. And it's got glass knobs. It's a beautiful piece. Then we picked up this. How cool is that gonna be? With some type of evergreen in it. And I bought the scoop, and I haggled on this. I was like, oh, well, okay, this works. So she wanted $78, and I paid $70 for it. But I mean, this is huge, so I think we made out pretty good. Okay, we are making a pit stop at Green Acres, and I've never actually been to this one, so I'm very excited. This is in Rockville. Let's go see what they got. Oh man, I'm seeing so much color at this one. This is so good already. What are these? These are super interesting. Crispedia Golf Beauty yellow. Is that, are they the yellow ones? Like the, I have to look this up. I think it is, but I've never seen it young like that. And these kangaroo paws, those are really pretty. Love that pink color. That might be something that comes home with us. That's $13.50. Oh, and I saw these when I toured at Monrovia. How cool is this kangaroo paw? $12.50. Very, very interesting, very blue. And then look at these ones, like red to blue. Okay, I found the proven winners. We are coming home with some proven winners today. What is this one? Super Tunia Tiara Pink. Okay. Proven Accents Waikiki Sunset. It's kind of interesting. 2 to 10 inches tall and wide. Well, no. It says it's short, 2 to 10 inches. Sun to shade. Interesting. And these begonias are so pretty. I don't know why I'm really liking begonias. These are $6.95 a piece. I really love that. Very sweet, very Eastery. There's so much color in here right now. This is crazy. I just found some super sweet little bubblers. These are kind of cute little fountains, small guys. Down right there is $4.25. I don't really see prices on a whole lot of these ones. $8.50 for that one in the back there. Are you kidding me with the foxglove and the lupin? How stunning is that? Oh, I love foxglove and I love lupin so much. That is like ultimate cottagey vibe flowers. Look at this black lupin. It's very like dark, dark, dark purple. I really wish that Brent liked blue spruces, but he really does not like blue in the garden. Look at this, baby blue spruce. It gets 8 to 10 feet wide and 40 feet tall, so very tall and not super wide. 10 feet is probably like the biggest that I want for a tree. Oh, it's so sharp. They're so sharp. You would hate it if I got that because of how sharp they are. But they're $97, and this is a 7-gallon, and so it's a pretty big tree already. Look at the way the sunlight's hitting this little area. Oh, it is so pretty with the little hydrangeas and what is this back here? Oh, there's some lilac vine back there and all of the jasmine. So pretty. They have some huge 2-ball myrtle topiaries. These are $155. I will say that I found some from Home Depot, much smaller. They're literally about this size, so almost half of the size. I think they're like $40, so much more expensive, but also much larger. Lots of pittosporums, so many boxwoods here, it's crazy. Okay, I just found these 3-ball topiary. These are hollies, and these are, I think they are $185. It says they have some 2-balls, but I don't see any 2-balls, but they do have 3 balls for $185. They're huge too, very tall. Are you kidding me? The lilacs are blooming. Oh, the lilacs are blooming. Oh my goodness, how do I not come home with this? How do I not come home with this? Because they're $63, that's how I not come home with it. Oh my gosh. All the lilacs are blooming. What? I need to come home with a lilac. I think I need to come home with a, oh my gosh. Little Pocahontas, Old Glory, Lilac Hybrid, Lavender Lady, and some more hybrids. What is that one? This one's really late compared to everybody else. This is Yankee Doodle. Who is this one? This is the Lavender Lady Lilac, and these ones are blooming really nicely right now. Is that who these are too? No, these are the Pocahontas. Yeah, Pocahontas. Oh, look how beautiful. That's so pretty. We've got about 1 million evergreens. It's always so fun to come to a new place that you've never been to. I mean, technically, it's Green Acres, so I've been to Green Acres before, but I've never been to this one, so it's cool to see how they lay it out. This one's definitely a bit smaller than the other one, but still has some really good stuff to it. I don't really love camellias, but this one is so beautiful. This is the C.M. Wilson. It looks like a peony. Isn't that stunning? It's $38. It's really pretty. Okay, so this is my haul here, and I have a palette color that I'm working with. I'm working with blues and I'm working with reds. And so reds and oranges, so I picked up this beautiful Salvia, so gorgeous. Picked up this Carex right here. And then Creeping Jenny, I got some Super Tunia Tiara Blue. I also have one Bordeaux. I've got the Bacopa back there, and I'm gonna go over all these when we get everything planted. More Creeping Jenny, Heliotrope, and then I did pick up this. Isn't that interesting? So this is a African Daisy 4D Blue Ice is what it's called. And I just thought that that was so unique. So this is the haul, and I think we did pretty good. So I'm gonna go check out now, and then we're gonna head home. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I was working with a limited palette on all of the plants, but it looks so good here, and I'm happy that we were able to come to another Green Acres that I've never been to. So I think there's 2 more in this area. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for coming antique shopping with us, and thanks for coming to Green Acres with us, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.